I am in a new spot, in a new setting because as we know, I have been having technical difficulties from camera, lights, everything. So we're just gonna try to make this work. But hey CurlyKin, welcome and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna be trying new products as we do on my channel often. Okay, for today's video, we're gonna be trying the new Garnier Fructis hair filler hyaluronic acid line. It's a 4-step system. It's a pre-shampoo, a shampoo, a conditioner, and a serum. I did not get the pre-shampoo because I have been doing like a whole lot of bonding on my hair recently, and I feel like there's no reason for me to do another bonding product. I don't want to, put too much bonding on my hair. So that's what we're going to try today. Also, I got the hyaluronic acid line because it's got moisture in it, and today I'm going to be doing a protein deep conditioner / treatment on my hair. So I wanted to, bring back the moisture after the protein. And then we're also going to be trying Unbrush versus the dupe. And I got a new Unbrush. It's pink and it got glitter on it. It's so cute. It's hard to show you because the lighting in the room is terrible, but it is so cute, glitter and pink. And if you know me, you know my favorite color is pink now, and so cute. Okay, so without further ado, let's stop talking. Let's get into the video. Normally, I would do conditioner first, but I don't know if I should do the conditioner first in this thing since it's like a step system. So I am lost. But I feel like since all the line is moisture, I could skip the detangling first. We're just gonna see how that goes. So first things first, we're gonna try the shampoo, and it is the Garnier Fructis hair filler plus hyaluronic acid moisture repair shampoo. It's a system for curly and wavy hair. It has inner fiber repair that fills the hair with moisture. It has 4% hyaluronic acid, citric acid, and the repair care complex. It is 10 ounces. It says it's the next generation of hair repair science. Is to fill curly and wavy hair with moisture. Our hyaluronic acid hair filler system is formulated with hyaluronic acid, citric acid, and the repair care complex. It fills the hair with moisture. What it does is on the inner part of your hair, it repairs and strengthens broken bonds deep in the cortex, the hair fiber, in the inner layer. In the outer part, it locks in up to 15 times more moisture, up to 100 hours of frizz control. It defines the curls with no weigh down. It's formulated without sulfates, silicones, parabens, and phthalates. And the 4 steps is the pre-shampoo, the shampoo, the conditioner, and then the serum. So first things first, we're going to use the shampoo and to do the smell and consistency test. Smells good. Also, these products are really affordable. I think each product was only $9.99 at Ulta, so amazing. Plus you can get points for paying for it at Ulta, so it's a good deal. It's a good deal. Smells good, and the consistency is a little thick and it looks milky. Okay, so I have wet my hair. This is what it's looking like. A mess, and that's why I said I need to do all the moisture repair and protein I can do. Okay, time for consistency. I don't know how to show you. By the drop it on the floor, I know that much. How do I show you? But this is what it looks like. It's a really thick and creamy. Smells good, like I said before. Deep conditioner, and this is the Sauce Beauty Deep Conditioner. It's the smoothing curl hair mask, and we have seen this on my channel before, but I mixed it with the protein treatment. I forgot the name of the protein treatment, but I tried it on my channel. And so basically it's like a protein deep conditioner plus protein treatment, so like extra protein. And I've been needing it because I haven't did a protein treatment or any type of protein, anything on my hair in a while. So just gonna apply this on my hair. I'm gonna take about that much. And the experience with the shampoo, I only shampooed once because I didn't feel like I needed to shampoo twice, but it was giving cleansed, like it was a clarifying shampoo, which is kind of confusing me since it's in a moisture line. So I was thinking, you know, my hair is gonna feel really, really moisturized. I could not finger detangle with it, which is something that I'm normally able to do with moisturizing shampoos. Am I losing my voice? Moisturizing shampoo, so I was a little confused on it, but not too bad, not too bad. But my hair does feel amazing. Like it got all the gunk and stuff from last week off of it. It feels good. Like it's really, really cleansed. So I like it. But it wasn't what I was expecting, considering it's a moisture shampoo. And like I said in this video, we're going to be trying out the unbrushed brush against its dupe, and we're going to see how well they work against each other. And disclaimer, I have tried both of these brushes and I love both of these brushes, so it's all up to you guys on what you would like to put your money towards. Like if you want to buy the unbrush, because it has like so many different, you know, color combinations, and they got the glow in the dark line, and they just got a whole lot. So if you want to buy unbrushed brush, you can, but I'm telling you, they're pretty much the same to me in my head. And with my hair type, they work pretty much the same. Getting this much for the last section. And with this on my hair, we're gonna try the unbrushed brushes and its dupe. Okay, so we're gonna try the dupe on this side, which is the left. And even though I did say I could not finger detangle with the shampoo, I'm able to easily detangle with the dupe. Like, so much easier. And that side is thoroughly detangled. I'm gonna do the top front left, or the front left with the dupe, and then we're gonna move to the other side. Okay, now time for the unbrushed brush on the right side, and it is pretty much doing the exact same thing. So now my whole head is thoroughly detangled, and it didn't take long on either side. I feel like it took like a minute on each side, which is not bad when detangling, because normally detangling can take all day when you don't use the right products or the right tools. So like I said, either one works. It's whatever you want to spend your money on. I like the fact that I could get like a pink one and glitter, so that's why I got the unbrush, but I still use the dupe, and it was only like, I think like $1 and something on TikTok shop. So if you want the dupe, you can get the dupe. If you want to be like me and be a little fancy and get like, you know, colors and glitter, you can do that. Or if you have a tool that you feel like works already, you can stick with that. Whatever tool you want to use, as long as it detangles your hair well and you don't be snatching out your hair, it's fine. Whatever you want to use. Okay, so I'm gonna go let this deep conditioner sit in my hair for a minute, and then I'll come back when it's time to try the conditioner and the serum. So it's on to the conditioner, and I feel like right now it's a toss up. Like I don't know if the conditioner gonna be good or if the conditioner gonna be bad or what. Hopefully it's good, but we don't know. But my curls do look pretty good. I don't know how much you can see in the camera, but this is the conditioner. It says all the same things, but it has 7% hyaluronic acid, citric acid, and the repair complex. Says all the same things on the back as well. So without further ado, the conditioner, okay. Same smell, and it is very thick, as you can see. So this might be a very good conditioner. Let's see. It doesn't say how long to sit it on, so I'm guessing you just put it on and wash it off. Ow, that hurt. Yeah, this is very thick. But this is the consistency. It's like, oh my gosh, it's like a thick, deep conditioner. Oh, I love it. I did not section my hair off. It's okay, it's fine. It is like a very, very thick, deep conditioner. Oh, I love it. I love the thickness of it. Hopefully, the thickness matches the amount of moisture that I'm going to get in the deep conditioner. So I'm going to section my hair off and then continue applying the conditioner all over my head. Then I'll come back. Okay, now it's time for the last thing, which is the serum. But this is what my hair is looking like. I must say the conditioner and the shampoo work well together because my hair was feeling like really stripped and cleansed from the shampoo. But after using the conditioner, my hair feels amazing. So I think they work well together, and they should since they're in the same line, but you never know. And this is the Garnier Fructis hair filler plus hyaluronic moisture repair serums for all curls and waves with 4% hyaluronic acid, citric acid, and the repair thing. And it says just apply the serum to your hair, and then that's it. That's the end of the little system. But we know that that's not going to work for my type of hair. So I'm going to, style my hair off camera and update you guys in the description box or in the comments how my hair felt. They said you can put it on dry or damp hair, and I don't know what to put it on. Like I normally put my products on like damp hair. So I'm going to try it with with water and without water and see what it's like. So this section, I'm gonna add the water. And I don't know how much to get, but I got this much. It smells kind of similar to the rest of the line, kind of different. My voice keep on going in and out, and I'm confused. Okay. Okay, now without the water, I'm gonna put like one squeeze all over my hair. Okay, so I must say either way works well, but since I'm a natural, I'm used to adding water to everything, so I'm gonna add water to mine. And based on just applying it first on the first section, it seems like it's like a primer, you know, like for makeup, like it sets the tone for the rest of the, you know, makeup. I feel like this is what this is. It's like a leave-in slash primer for your wash day. Well, for your styling portion of your wash day. I feel like it could work really, really well for a primer. Like if you want to like do something else afterward, like a wash and go or something, I feel like that could be a great primer slash leave-in, and then add whatever stylers you want to add on top of that. Or if you want to be like me and be extra, I'm gonna add another leave-in on top because I feel like I want more moisture to my hair. I'm not saying that it doesn't supply moisture. I just want more, you know. And I'm also a skeptic, so I don't want to be like, oh, I should have added a leave-in after this when it's later on in the week and my hair doesn't feel how it's supposed to feel in my head. So I don't know if I should or if I shouldn't. But can we just look at the curls? Like, they look really good. It must be something to this system, because when I first came on here, whew, I was looking a mess. I was looking a mess. Okay, so that is pretty much it for this video. I'm going to tell you guys what I think. Like I said, I feel like the shampoo, it was like really, really cleansing. But if you want to put it with the conditioner, they work very well together. And the serum, you see how much I used only one time on my hair, so I feel like I can get more washes out of it. But people with long hair, I'm kind of scared of them getting it. Even though it is affordable, I don't want you to like get it and you use like half the bottle on one wash, and then you, yeah, that's a lot. But I think I like it so far. Like, my hair feels really, really good using these products, and it's probably, my hair is probably rejoicing because I finally put some protein in it after so long. And lastly, the unbrush, we know I love it. I love the dupe. I love both. Either way it goes, I feel like you should get either one of them because they are now my favorite detangling tools. So if you want a detangling tool, or you want to ask me which detangling tool I recommend, either the unbrush or the dupe. Both of them work well. Okay, that's it for this video. Hope you liked it. Hope you enjoyed it. But before you go, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And click that little bell button so you never miss the next time I upload. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.